Another question I get asked about threads is, should I do them? Do I need them? And just like how when you have a recipe in the kitchen, you don't do the last part of the recipe first. You have to do the recipe in order to get your amazing creme brulee. I mean, you can't go and do the fire step last. That's like the very last thing that you do. Threads, in my opinion, come after fillers. If you are not filler optimized, your threads are just pulling up Skeletor type of a face, and that's not pretty. But if you are filler optimized, you just need a little bit more of that lifting and anchoring, repositioning. Threads are amazing. And so the person, the injector, or I should say the provider out there who is doing tons and tons and tons of threads but paying no mind to fillers, some of their work looks really good and some of it is mediocre because, in my opinion, there is a way and an order to doing aesthetic processes.